Hi, welcome to Teju's vlog. So today we are in Mandidip. This is around 20 kilometers away from Bhopal, and this is a satellite town of Bhopal city. So this is an industrial area. This is a special economic zone of Madhya Pradesh government, and there are a lot of industries. So we are looking forward to see the different kinds of industries here, their products, their founding members, a brief history of founding members and all that. Mandidip is a town with municipality in Goharganj Taluk in recent district of the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Mandidip is 23 km from Bhopal and is basically an industrial township which came into existence in the late 1970s. The major industries here are the Hindustan Electrographite, Procter & Gamble, Lubin Laboratories, Eicher Tractors, Pepsi Company, and many more national and international level companies have their manufacturing units at Mandidip. Once a sleepy village in Bhopal district, Mandidip, which started on an area of 560 acres, is now sprawled across 2000 acres. Currently, Mandidip houses more than 400 industrial units belonging to reputed companies, and it boasts of a total investment of more than 4,000 crore. In the 1980s, several changes helped industrial development. The Madhya Pradesh State Industrial Development Corporation, completely aided by the state government, was formed with the objective of promoting development of industries in this region. The first industry which we see while entering Mandidip is the Eicher Tractors. Eicher Tractor was a manufacturer of tractors, agricultural machineries and engines. The company was founded in 1936 by brothers Joseph and Albert Eicher in the Upper Bavaria town of Forsten, Germany. Looking back through history, Mandidip, situated in close proximity to Bhojpur Shiva temple, was surrounded by a big lake since the 10th century. In the 15th century, Sultan Hussain Shah of Malwa demolished the Bhojpur dam, which kept releasing water for 3 years. Mandidip village came into existence when the land dried up. It was an island in the big lake Bhopal to Hoshangabad, hence called in Hindi Deep. Those days it has a weekly market, means Mandi in Hindi, so it was called Mandi Deep, the island of market. So this is Maxon Healthcare Private Limited, which is a manufacturer and supplier of Vicks products such as Vicks Candies and Vicks Vaporub. The next industry we are going to see here is the Netlink Softwares Private Limited. This is an IT industry which I am also employed with, and we are a highly specialized team with over 20 combined years of experience in technology services and customized solutions to meet the ends of an ever-changing market. We provide digital solutions, innovative and intelligent technology solutions to meet the needs of the changing market. Innovative platforms, that is technology platforms that drive innovation and business growth, and unique services like high value IT engagement model that delivers IT services with variable roles, skills at predictable cost. Mr. Anurag Srivastava is the founder and CEO of the Netlink Software. The next industry we are going to see here is the Crompton Greaves Limited. It is one of the leading engineering corporations. Crompton Greaves provide end-to-end solutions, helping its customers use electrical power effectively and increase industrial productivity with sustainability. CG was established in 1937 in India, and since then the company has been pioneer and has retained its leadership position in the management and application of electrical energy. The next industry we are seeing here is the Andritz Hydro India Private Limited. It's a globally leading supplier of plants, equipment and services for hydropower stations, the pulp and paper industry, the metalworking and steel industries, and solid liquid separation in the municipal and industrial sectors. And just opposite to this industry we can see the Bhaskar Industries Private Limited. Bhaskar Industries Private Limited is established in 1996. Bhaskar Denim stands as one of the largest denim manufacturing industries in India, principally engaged in the production of yarn and denim. The next one in the line is Procter & Gamble Company. This is an American multinational consumer goods corporation headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio, founded in 1837 by William Procter and James Gamble. It specializes in a wide range of personal health, consumer health, and personal care and hygiene products. These products are organized into several segments including beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric, home care, and baby, feminine, and family care. Initially, the pace of development in Mandideep was slow due to lack of infrastructure, and Mr. Chandar Singh Pal is the Mukadam or Patel of Mandideep of that time played an important role of industrialization in Mandideep. Mandideep is now well connected to railways, roadways and airways as it is a region in the state capital of Bhopal. HEG is the first industry to light the lamp of industrialization in Mandideep. In 1983, Mandideep housed 49 industrial units, and currently there are 400 plus industrial units which are active in Mandideep area. So what you are seeing here is the main town of Mandideep. This is the HEG in the background you can see. This is a trademark or the landmark of Mandideep location. From anywhere you look, you can see the HEG emblem in the top of the building. So this is the main town Nagar Palika area of Mandideep which you are seeing, and these are the new constructions of the subways and the side lanes which were constructed recently, and this is the rapid kind of development which is happening here in Mandideep. So this connectivity and easiness of transportation makes it a very promising area for the future. So this is HEG Hindustan Electrographites Private Limited, which is the landmark in Mandideep location. HEG Limited is a premier company of the LNJ Bhilwara Group, is today India's leading graphite electrode manufacturer and exporter. It has one of the largest integrated graphite electrode plants in the world, processing sophisticated UHP ultra high power electrodes. The company exports over 80% of its production to more than 25 countries in the world. Its CEO is Ravi Jhunjhunwala. The next one we are going to see here is the Lupin Limited. This is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is one of the largest generic pharmaceutical companies by revenue globally. The company's key focus area includes pediatrics, cardiovascular, anti-infectives, diabetology, asthma, and anti-tuberculosis. The company was founded by Deshbandhu Gupta in 1968, who was a professor of chemistry at BITS Pilani, Rajasthan. The next in line is the Vardhaman Yarns. This is a textile industry with installed capacity of 166,000 spindles. It is the largest plant of the Vardhaman yarns in Madhya Pradesh. This is Daawat Foods Limited, registered in 2017. Daawat Foods Limited has made a name for itself in the list of top suppliers of basmati rice in India. The supplier company is located in Mandideep, Madhya Pradesh, and is one of the leading sellers of basmati rice. So here is Varun Beverages Limited. This is an Indian company that manufactures bottles and distributes beverages. It is the second largest bottling company of PepsiCo's beverages in the world outside of the United States. Nestis Insulators and Electricals Company is a unit of Hindustan Urban Infrastructure Limited. Is considered to be a pioneer in porcelain manufacturing industry in India. That's it for the day. I hope this video was more informative rather than entertaining. It was more informative. So this is all about Mandideep Industries. We couldn't cover all of the industries here because it's not possible. There are 400 plus industries which are in active state, and as we have seen, there are a lot of industries which are in active state. Some has isolated. There are so many industries which is coming up. So this shows the potential of this location. Mandideep is no doubt a very promising location for the investors. This can be a very good industrial hub in the future and well-developed area because the connectivity is getting very good. The NH12, the highway is fully developed now. A lot of flyovers, a lot of by roads. So this is a randomly developing area. It's a very close proximity to Bhopal, so that advantage is also there. So that's all about this video. So because of lockdown, we couldn't travel much longer routes. So this is the only options I have to cover the areas which is nearby. So we'll come out with some other interesting video next week probably if there is a lockdown lifted. Otherwise we have to limit to the same locations we are leaving. So that's a garam samosa. I will have this samosa and you guys wait for the next week for the next video. So if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel Teju's Vlog, and see you all next week. Take care. Bye bye.